click on Go to Project. On the left hand side menu, click on Tracing under Observability and then click on Traces. So if you run the code, then you will see the corresponding agent trace here in the Langfuse platform. Okay. You can see here I ran code agent as well as tool calling agent a couple times, right? Now let's try to evaluate this Langfuse trace. Click on the trace, then it opens this dialog box on the right hand side. So if you notice here, we ask the question as research the top real world use cases of AI in the workplace and summarize how companies are implementing them, right? And you can see the output here. Click on this inference client model. You can inspect more. So this is what is happening internally. If you notice here, you can see it says use code blobs since we used code agent, right? So internally, this is the prompt passed to the agent. So Hugging Face constructed this so the LLM can understand the task much better. If we notice, we can see the examples or prompts given, and we are able to understand how our code agent works behind the scenes, right? If you see the output generated by our code agent, when we click on inference model, the agent is thinking of using a web search tool and it generated this code. You can also see the token usage or metrics, that is the amount of total tokens used by our model Quen. Okay, so these metrics are very important when you are working on an enterprise project since it costs money to utilize the tokens, right? If we click on step 2 inference client model, we can inspect the thought process of our agent using Langfuse. You can see how detailed it's giving us the results, right? So with this detailed trace, you can easily debug and understand how the agent is thinking to generate the response.